In this chapter, we're going to talk about getting personal. In this chapter, we will be covering the following topics: how to use email variables and templates, setting up the business's email settings, and customize the email titles to make it interesting and understandable. So, let me ask you a question. How many emails do you get every day? And how many of those emails do you actually read? It's easy to gloss over an email or delete it entirely if it seems generic, irrelevant, or spammy. So, what we wanted to do is avoid our emails being too generic. Take the time to add your contact's name, which you can do for every contact receiving that email in one easy step through Wellness Living's email variables, which will show you how to do. And make sure the from field is recognizable as your business. So let's say if your business name is A&E Fitness, we want to make sure that it says A&E Fitness, or maybe even the business owner's name, something or somebody that is recognizable to your clients. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to achieve this through the Wellness Living email templates. Okay, so now we're back onto the marketing template screen. So again, to get there, it is the app drawer, and from the app drawer going over to marketing. So obviously we had a quick intro about this. It's about getting personal with your emails, right? So we really want to make sure that we're using the email variables that are available in the system. And I did mention this before, but each set of marketing template do have their own email variables. And if you scroll down, the email variables will be listed as a drop-down menu for each template. You can go ahead and click on it, and all the variables that can be used for that specific template will be listed. Keeping in mind that there's a disclaimer that you might not be able to just copy and paste some of these and apply to a different template because it might not be applicable there. So some of the things that we want you guys to focus on in terms of getting personalized is very much, first of all, starts from their name, right? So when they open up their email, we want to make sure we use variables such as maybe first name, their full name, and their last name to really know that, hey, we're addressing you, right? We're not just addressing just the general public that's coming to us. We're addressing it to you. So make sure you incorporate some of these first name, last name, or full name, or a mixture of all of these in your email templates. Now, scrolling up, the other important things are your from name and your from email field. So these you definitely want to make sure that you customize these, right? Let's say, for example, it's supposed to be, Wellness Living Academy, right? We want to make sure the from name stands out so they know exactly who it's coming from, and the from email, let's say we have Wellness Living Academy mailinator.com, right? So that speaks to our clients that are opening up these emails. They know exactly who's sending these emails, who it's coming from, right? And it's not just another spam email that they're getting that they can just delete, right? They recognize that, hey, that's from the gym that I go to, right? That's already kind of like a recognition, right? Because they're with you, they recognize your name. So we're just adding on all these personalizations to really stand out from the rest of the emails that they're probably getting in their mailboxes every day. And last but not least would be the subject line. This is something that we did talk about previously, and I cannot emphasize enough is customize the email titles to make it interesting, right? Just new class announcement. I mean, there's really not much flair to it, right? But maybe I can say, hey, new Zumba class. Something more specific, right? If it's just a class, oh great, well what kind of class, right? I mean, yeah, sure, I can open it, but if it's just so generic, they might not be interested. So let's put that personalization in there, put those details in there, make it captivating, concise, right? That's kind of what we're aiming for. It's interesting and it's concise, right? It's all about captivating your audience right from the get-go. So those are kind of the tips that we have in terms of getting personalized with your emails to your clients, and how to really make your emails pop from the rest of these emails that they're going to get daily in their mailbox.